So students, as you are 10th standard now, you need to learn this art of framing the answers. So in this video, I am giving you some tips to be taken care of. Firstly, I have written over here rules about simple present tense. Firstly, I have written over here the rule which is to be used with I, we, you and they. So positive is subject, then first form, then object. For negative approach, subject plus do not plus first form of the verb and then object. The second type of positive, subject plus first form plus s or es and object. And the negative for this is subject plus does not plus first form and object. This can be used with he, she, it and name. Let's do it with an example. As I have written over here a question. Why do they help me? So here we are having do and the first form of the verb. So answer will be copied down in the same way. We will remove do. So only the rest content will be copied. They help me because. Then the answer will be added or the reason will be added. Next we are having the negative form of the same. Why do they not help me? Again here we are having the first form of the verb, but in the negative kind of question we need to copy down the like this. They do not help me because. Fine. So I hope it is clear to you. Next point. Why does he help me? So here have you got to know a change. Does word is used over here with he. Fine. So it is also with the first form of the verb which is help. So how it will affect to our answer? He helps me because here you can see the word help became helps just because of this does word. If we are having the negative question with the does, why does he not help me? So let's see. He does not. Then we are having first form as it is over here, help. Then we will not place over here s because it has also come in does. Next, if the question is in simple past tense. If the question is in simple past tense, yes. So our rule is having for answering is subject, then second form of the verb, object. And if we want to say it in a negative manner, we should use a subject plus did not. In present, remember we had used do not with I, we, you, they, and does not we had used with he, she, it and name. But in the simple past tense, if the question is with did, so we have to take care. We can only use second form of the verb. For example, why did Lencho write a letter to God? Okay, you need to take care. Did word is over here and first form is here. So this question is in simple past tense. So how it will impact to the answer? This first form will change into second form. Lencho wrote a letter to God because. Next, one more question we can have as an example. Why did Lencho not thank to his helpers? Here, with this helping verb did, you can recognize very well that this question is in simple past tense. Okay, so if we are having answer in a negative way, for example, question is why did Lencho not thank? According to the story, we know very well that Lencho did not thank. So we need not here, so it will be added with did. Lencho did not thank. Then first form will remain same because did helping verb is being used over here. So this is about the beginnings, how to change. Then after, because you can state the answer as per the story. Few practice examples I have written over here. For example, if somebody ask you, do you play daily? So here, how to recognize the tense? Because do word is over here. Okay, then your answer can be in positive way, yes, I play daily. If you don't want to answer in positive manner, then you can say, no, I do not play daily. Here, do word is playing a very important role. Same way, if the question is in simple past tense, so how to recognize? Did word will be used by the speaker. Did you play daily? Then first form here, if you play, then you need to make it into second form of the verb for answering. Yes, I played yesterday. If you don't want to say in the positive manner, then you need to copy down did not as it is. Then first form of the verb for answering. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you so much.